The Baby Food Formula Crisis, What You're Not Being Told. In this book, which I've been trying to get people to buy for over 30 years, before I ever was on social media, there is a formula for making baby food and for making baby formula. You can see it right here. It tells you how to process it. Right here, emergency food for babies. This book goes extensively into how to process food for both adults and infants. And not one survival channel has referred you to this book. Not one channel on YouTube has referred you to this book. Nuclear War Survival Skills by Crescent Kearney. This book will save you. It will save your family. It will save babies. This gives you an expedient solution for replacing baby formula. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.